Okay, hi everyone, it's Teacher Matt here from OXDA, Oxford English Masters Truphonics course, and today we're looking at some intermediate W spellings. We're also going to look at some question words using W. Okay, here we go. First, in the beginner course, we learned the word web. W-e-b. Web, for that W sound. Now we have one. Now it's the same sound, W, but now spelt with an O. A little strange, but it's the same sound. One. Now we have guava. Guava. Now this is a U, but it's making a W sound. W. Guava. And now we have the color white. This has a WH, but the H is making no sound. White. And now we have completed all the colors, the main colors, in the Truphonics course. So you should be able to spell all the colors of the rainbow, and white and black and gray. All those colors have been covered as part of this course. And here we have a question word, also using WH, what? And we can make a short sentence, a question sentence. What is it? Of course, the answer is, it's a box. Now we have another important question word, where. This is for place. The sentence would be, where is it? And of course, the answer is the mountains. Now we have when, a question word for time. The sentence will be, when is it? And the answer, well, it looks like maybe it's 10 or 5 to 2, 7 to 2, not sure. Nearly 2 o'clock. Why? Why? This is for something we don't understand. Why? Why is it white? We have a ghost. Why are ghosts white? Honestly, I don't know. Maybe they are scared to death. Now we have who. Who is for a person, but we don't know who they are. Who is it? I think it's Teacher Matt, me. Oh. Okay, so to review, we've been learning W, the letter W, and here are different ways to make the W sound, W, O, U, and WH. And we've learned some different W question words, who, what, where, when, why. Oh, I forgot to say, of course, who is a bit special. We learned who when we learned H, intermediate, but who, although it has a WH, it's actually an H sound. So it's a little different. So be careful with that one. It can be a W sound, it can be a H sound. Okay. If you'd like to learn more, don't forget to head over to OXDA, OxfordEnglishMasters.com, where you can join the Truphonics course. And in fact, you can do the beginner course absolutely free. The entire course. It's for you and it's free. Okay, looking forward to seeing you there. Take care now. Bye-bye.